Fufu, West African cassava dough ball. Ingredients: 1 pound frozen cassava puree, 455 grams, thawed. Half cup water, 120 milliliters, plus more as needed. Sawa with egusi, for serving, optional. Directions: add the cassava puree and half cup water to a medium pot and use your hands to break up any lumps, then stir with a wooden spoon until smooth. Turn the heat to medium-high and cook for about 15 minutes, stirring continuously to break up any lumps that form and adding up to half cup more water is needed to ensure the fufu is not stiff or lumpy, until the cassava turns from bright white to off-white in color and the fufu is stretchy and smooth. Remove the pot from the heat. Scoop 1 cup of fufu from the pot with a wooden spoon and, using wet hands to prevent sticking, roll into a ball or your desired shape. Repeat with the remaining fufu. Serve the fufu with sawa soup or the soup of your choice.